Hi everybody and welcome back to a new video, but it's different. It's a Monday, right? And if you have no idea what this game is, this is BOOGA. No, this is Big BOOGA Dig. And you see, that's me right now. I got Stone Shelly by my side. So, that you can get 3 categories. You can get some bags, some tools on a pet. Eve Shelly, Wood Shelly, Stone Shelly, that's all I've got to. I can get bags. You can get the God bag, that's the best. The God picker's the best. And the God City! Look how glorious he looks. That's my bro coming up. What the? This is stupid. Don't hear the word. This is stupid. This is stupid. Legit stupid. R.I.P. everyone who's in here. Bro, come look at this. This is stupid. Who thinks this is stupid? I haven't even dug for seconds. This is stupid. What? The next bag is the iron bag, which is 1,000. I might roll for 1 more. What pickaxe is that? Right. You can dig here. What? Oof, 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 oof. What an idiot. That sound was gonna go oofy oof. You didn't. Okay, let's replay that. D. This is weird. That's an adorable pig. I have a bronze! Wait. You know these trees, you can't actually chop them down, sorry. So I now say sorry! So this is a giant sailboat. So, Booga Booga Survival. I'm just gonna tell you, I'm not on Booga. What is that pickaxe? I think it's silver. Whoa. That's weird. That was funny. Like, what? What the heck just happened? Speed up! You game. I'm just running. Whoa. Silverback. Steel. Iron. Yay. Now I can sell my sand and do it. So close. That was it. Finally. I'm just gonna have one left on. Oh, come on. That means I've got 350. I was silent for a single second. This is slow, isn't it? At least we're getting deeper. This is actually... Did you see that rich sand? Whoa. Hello, guy with crystal bag. You have a door right? Well, guess what? I have bronze. Bro. Do you see that majestic Shelly? It's a majestic silver Shelly. Not bad. Just kidding. I would never kill a Shelly. They're too cute. But I've killed a lot in the past. Forgive me! If you leveled up, your Shelly's got bigger. That'll be cool. So you'll get a giant Shelly. Like the video if you want me to destroy this later on. My parents are chatting downstairs. They're interrupting my video, aren't they? But next I'm gonna get the bronze show. Look at this. Cause then I love you and my heart is tired. What? I glitched. Bye. What? I glitched so badly. Daddy. A glitch is being recorded on rec. A glitch on rec. Now I mean, what? He's like, what the heck is damaging this? Okay, I think. Whoa. He's like, hello, bye. The sun must be so weak. Die. I'm not gonna play BOOGA Survival, it's too risky. Get off me, you stupid zombie. Hello. I'm recording. Boy, idiot. I can't believe my dad actually interrupted me in my recording. I had no idea I could get the iron pick. What is that pick? It's steel. Oh, come on. Yeah, yes, crystal. What? I want to see how good the crystal pick is. Platinum. A door, right? Crystal! Hello. Bye-bye. This reminds me of Treasure Hunt Simulator, but it's Booga Booga. Booga Booga. Booga Booga. Booga Booga Booga. Boo 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 Booga. We are slaves. No joke, worry, you look like we're slaves here. Yeah. I'm marching out to the beat of drum. I'm going down, I'm coming alive. I'm having it now. Guys, you wanna be in my video? We are slaves. We are slaves. Souls for slavery. I think she has no room. We are some slaves. That thing's going down. 1,200 is my goal. Okay, break that one. Whee! I'm just running in the night. Is that actually Crystal Bank? That's what came on the head. Please could you subscribe to my videos? It'll be a great pleasure for you to do it. It's being quite boring. Just me digging. I'm just gonna get something new soon. I'll be a new Shelly for you to meet. And he will be cute. And he will be strong. He will be a toughie. He will beat up every single one. Yes. The bronze Shelly. Right now I've got stone one. Poor Stony. Poor Stony, you're gonna have to go back into the pet shop. For someone else to get. That guy's got a silver Shelly, but you can't see it. Whee! How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. There's no. Okay. The iron pick. Steel pick is 3,000. 2,250. 2,800. 2,250 and 3,000. Okay. You want to play like that, don't you? You want to play like that game? We'll save it for another time, don't worry. Anyway, guys, it's getting to the end of the video. Bye-bye. Hope you have a nice time on Monday, and see you later. No good time on Tuesday. See you later. Bye.